A very warm welcome from Multisoft. Today's session is for individuals who want to gain knowledge about Salesforce. I will discuss Salesforce as a platform and the Salesforce Administration Essentials for new admins online training in particular. So let's start with the agenda. I will begin with an introduction to Salesforce.com, then give details about the related exam and later discuss the course details with you. This course will help you to prepare for the exam and get certified. After this, I will move on to one of the most interesting sections, that is the sneak preview. In this part, you will get to know the practical application of Salesforce concepts. In addition to enhancing your subject knowledge, the sneak preview will also give you a feeler of the actual training. Next to this section will be the Multisoft Salesforce online training section, where I will tell you how online training happens at Multisoft. Towards the end, I will summarize the session for you. Let me first tell you what is Salesforce. It is a suite of customer relationship management products. With over 100,000 customers, Salesforce is used by corporate organizations to manage various business functions. Salesforce.com was founded in 1999 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. It has won the recognition of the world's most innovative company in 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014 and is also the 2012 CRM Market Award winner. The company provides software for automotive, healthcare, manufacturing, life sciences, media and communications industries. In terms of business functions, Salesforce caters to almost all departments. It provides products for sales, service, marketing, community, analytics, and platform and apps. Moving on to understand the benefits of Salesforce, the software offered by the company helps users to save time and cost. It also allows easy upgradation and customization options, thus making the business operations faster and convenient. In addition, Salesforce software are scalable and offer great service delivery. I hope you have understood what Salesforce is and the advantages it offers. Let me now share the exam details with you. In order to get certified in Salesforce administration, candidates need to take the Salesforce.com Certified Administrator exam. The exam code for it is ADM 201. In a total duration of 90 minutes, candidates need to attempt 60 multiple choice questions with a passing score of 65%. The registration fee for this exam is USD 200. I'll now cover the course details for Salesforce. The target audience for this course include new system administrators who deal in the setup, configuration and maintenance of their organization's Salesforce applications. IT managers and sales operation managers are amongst the ideal participants of this course. Coming to the prerequisites, individuals must be aware about the basic concepts of OOPS, that is, Object-Oriented Programming System. Salesforce recommends interested candidates to attend the Navigating Salesforce and using the Sales Cloud online trainings available on its website. Let us now know what are the learning outcomes from this Salesforce Admins course. After completing this training, individuals will be able to customize applications, create a secure Salesforce environment, maintain and import clean data, create high-value reports and dashboards, and set up automation in business processes. The modules you can see on the screen will be covered at length in the actual training. To download the detailed course content, you can visit our website www.multisoftvirtualacademy.com. It is time for the sneak preview section. I'm sure you'll find this very interesting as this will be a mini live session where you'll see real-time implementation of concepts. So, I'll pass it on to the expert on Salesforce who will take you through this session.
Hello friends. Today we'll go ahead and learn how we can create some fields in Salesforce and then how we can correlate those fields with each other. So to perform that task, first we need to log into Salesforce Arc. So I have already done that for me. So I've done that from my username and password. After that, we have just reached to this particular screen where I have different objects and tabs. You can see home, accounts, cases, dashboards, reports, and Multisoft client. This is the object which I have recently created. So here you can go and check how the fields are created. Here are the fields like contact number, course name, email address, name, organization domain, and how the interface look like. So when you click on new, you can see the fields appear here as a UI. So to fill the data, we need to write the name of the client. So here's Jacob, he's our student, and he's from IT domain. So I'll select the same. I'll write his email, that is jb@yahoo.com. Then his contact number, let me just check the details. Yeah, it's 613-219-786. Okay, and he actually selects the course for admin 201. So I'll select the same. You can select the other option for the other records. So I've selected 201, and then I'll just click on save. Now you can see the record. Here is the client number, which is the auto number, which I have already populated. It's a name, there's an organization domain, email address, contact number, course name, and as this record is created by me itself, so you can see created by, here's my name, my username, okay, and the time when we have created this record. Now our task is to concat the name and the contact number, and how to do that, we'll do it. So here is the object on which we need to work. As we are working on Multisoft client, you can see it's a custom object. So we need to create a field, a formula field, which will concat the name and the contact number. So I'll just click on the data type, formula, then click on next. I write the label, how we can identify that thing. Concat name and contact. And what would be the output we need to select? So I'll select text because it contains the name as well as the numbers. So text would be the better option. Then just click on next. Now it will give us the field where we need to write the formula, how we will go ahead and concat these fields. So as my field is name, right? I want to concat name. I'll use the concatenation. I need a hyphen between the name and the contact so I can identify, okay, this is the name and this is the contact. Well, name is text and the contact number is phone, so we can usually identify that thing, but it's better how we can express the data in our database. So I just put the hyphen in between of that. Then I'll again put the concat operator, insert the field which is contact number, just insert, and after that I'll check whether the syntax is correct or not. Just click on check syntax. Here you can see no syntax errors in merge field or function. If we get this message, then we can go ahead and proceed. Click on next. Then on which profile you want to visible this particular field. So I have different profiles here: bartender, contract manager. These are the standard profiles. I have created a new admin, a custom profile, and the system admin standard user. So currently I'll do it visible to all, okay? And then just click on next. And here comes the page layout. On which page layout you want this field to be displayed. So as we are working on this particular object, so I'll select the Multisoft client layout. You can create a new layout or new page layout for this object as well. We'll discuss that in later sessions. And then just click on save. Now the field is created. You can see concat name and contact. So how will it look like on our object? Here it is not showing because the page is not refreshed yet. I'll just refresh the page and check. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so we have concatenated the name and contact, his Jacob and his contact number. Though both the things are concatenated, and there is a hyphen in between of that. Now I need to change the location. I don't want the concat name and contact just below all the fields. I'll just click on the layout and I'll just shift the entire thing. So we need to wait. Yep. So we are just on the Multisoft client layout. It's a page layout for this particular object, and after that I'll just move it here. And I need email address as well here. Yep. And the course name. Okay, let's click on quick save and then save, so we can check it is permanent on the object. Here it is. So now we have Multisoft client, name, IT, contact number, and here are the fields. Here is the contact name and contact. As you can see, there is a lock in front of it. It means it is a read-only field, a system generated field. So no user can actually change it. Even if you click on edit, you're not able to see that field, right? So that's how we perform a read-only field where user cannot change the data, because as an admin we need certain rules, or you can say best practices, to go with the particular regular expression in our database. Okay, so for the next exercise, let's do it and create a field. So we'll just again go to the field section, which I have already opened here, and now I'll just create a pick list. Okay, I need to put some options for my client, or you can say my members. So I'll create a pick list which give us the options, because I don't want them to put or just like enter the text value for me. So I'll just write country. Okay, and I'll give the options out here: India, United States, United Kingdom, Singapore, and you can actually select whether you want to go with the first value as default, or you want them as alphabetically sorted out whenever it shows on the page layout. So I've done that, like sort alphabetically. So we'll check whether it's doing or not. So to check that option, let me put Australia. Okay, because like A comes and the very first as per the alphabet list. So let's check whether it perform it or not. Then click on next. Then again the same profile, the field level security, on which profile you want to show this field. We have already visible to all the profiles, not the partner, because these are the standard profiles. All the custom profiles, this field is enabled. So people, they have the custom profile associated with their username, they can see that thing. Then click on save, and let's see, it's reflecting over here. No, not yet. Let's refresh the page then. Voila, yeah, it's here now. So I want to put the field now. Just click on edit. I can select the country. Yeah, Australia is on top because I have already selected alphabetically ordered. So I'll just select Australia, click on save. It will get automatically updated on the record. And here the catch, you can see last modified. It's just the time which I have modified. I've created a record like just 7 minutes ago, and here I've last modified. So this is how we can actually go ahead and clean up the data. We can go ahead and create the database according to our business process. Okay friends, and for more exercise we can go ahead and you can just check our website, or you can just enroll with us. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So was that knowledgeable? I'm sure it was. With that, let's move on to the Multisoft Salesforce Administration Online Training section. When you register with us for the Salesforce Online Training, we will connect with you as per the pre-decided time and impart training for 32 hours in all. For the exact schedule and each session's duration, you can refer to the training calendar on our website. The training happens through a secure web conferencing tool that allows a real-time learning experience. Once you register with us, we send out event links to you, wherein you log into a collaborative platform that allows two-way interaction between the student and the trainer through webcam and voice chat. It is as good as a classroom since the whiteboard allows the trainer to transfer knowledge as done in a classroom. The share option lets the experts share files, videos, applications, and even desktops. Once you register with us, we provide you 24/7 access to an online resource center, wherein apart from accessing other training material, you can also attempt 5 assessments and certification-based mock tests. Apart from these 2 valuable exam-oriented resources, you also get access to all related presentations, projects, and training videos. This is a sample of the online assessment that will test your knowledge on the various Salesforce course concepts. All the questions will have 4 options, out of which you need to select the correct one. At the end of the assessment, you will get the information on the correct answers and reasoning behind the same. This session was an attempt to provide you detailed information about the online Salesforce training and certification program. In order to register for the course or to ask any question, please write to us at info@multisoftvirtualacademy.com.